The contagious mouth stretch. When someone yawns, you suddenly feel the urge to do it too. It can spread through a room like a wave. Scientists still can't figure out exactly why this happens. It's not just humans either. Dogs, birds, and even some reptiles catch yawns from others. You're more likely to catch a yawn from someone you know than a stranger. It's like your brain has a VIP list for whose yawns it copies. Some scientists think it's all about brain temperature. When you yawn, you're giving your brain an air conditioning break. But that doesn't explain why it's contagious. Another theory is that it helped our ancestors survive. Imagine a group of cavemen sitting around. One starts yawning, then everyone does it, making the whole group more alert. Nature's version of passing around an energy drink. Others think it's about empathy and social bonding, possibly involving mirror neurons.